Your spreadsheet might be correct, but does it look professional? These 5 formatting tricks will make your Excel work stand out, and they only take seconds. Trick 1. Format as table. Number 1. Format as table. Ctrl + T instantly styles your data, adds filtering, and makes it easy to read. Trick 2. Conditional formatting. Number 2. Conditional formatting. Highlight key values automatically with colors, icons, or data bars. Trick 3. Custom number formats. Number 3. Custom number formats. Show thousands as K, add text like units, or hide zeros completely. Trick 4. Wrap text. Number 4. Wrap text. Keeps all your info visible without stretching columns across your screen. Trick 5. Freeze panes. And number 5. Freeze panes. Keep headers or labels visible so you never lose track in large sheets. Use these tricks and your Excel sheets will look as good as they work. Subscribe for more ways to master Excel in minutes.